Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As of every week, we will dive into the fundamentals, sentiment and technical analysis of different currencies to see which pairs will give us opportunity next week to take positions in. During the weekdays, I uploaded a video live trading after news. If you like to see this video, I will put the link up above on the right of the screen and you can see the video. Before we dive into the fundamentals, don't forget to like and subscribe if you like these types of videos. Previous week we had different trade decisions on AUD, Swiss franc, Canadian dollar and euro, and I updated it right there. We have 50 basis points cut on the Swiss franc, which was not expected. We were expecting 25 basis points cuts. And also I added the seasonality factor, but I did not add it yet in my final analysis. I will see how I can incorporate it into the data, but not yet. I'm still focusing on economic strength, economic indicators and sentiment factor, which I'm using the 3-month yield. Also, on the consideration and strat for the next week, we have a lot of data. So we have the PMI for Euro, Pound and US dollar on Monday. Governor speaking for Canada also on Monday, 10 p.m. This is my time to know which time I should sit in front of the charts. We have Pound claimant. I don't know what is this. I will read more about it. We have the inflation data for the Canadian dollar. US retail sales also with the inflation data of the CAD. US CAD is a very good pair to trade after the news. Tuesday 3:30 p.m. Maybe I will upload during this day a live trading video or I will stream it. We shall see when we come into Tuesday. Then we have the pound inflation data on Wednesday, the rate also on Wednesday, and New Zealand dollar GDP data on Wednesday. Then we have the rate for JPY and for the pound. Pound retail sales and CAD retail sales on Friday, and inflation data PCE on Friday for the US dollar. Also the COT data, CAD, non-commercials, added shorts, CHF, closed shorts. Also we have the pound, added longs and closed shorts. Japanese yen also added longs and closed shorts. Euro closed longs and added shorts. New Zealand dollar added shorts and closed longs. This will give us non-commercial institutions how they are seeing the markets. Now let's dive into some trade updates and some opportunities that I took previous week and what I'm looking for coming into the next week. If we come to the final analysis, I'm looking for pound, USD, New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen to buy and to short the CAD, CHF, euro, especially CHF and euro. So I have around 8 pairs. Let's start with euro pound. I'm still bearish on euro pound, but because of GDP data that came out on Friday, I closed my position because I'm anticipating bigger retracement before continuing pushing lower. I will be looking for opportunities to take another short position retracing into this area right here. Going into USD CHF, I did not enter from this area and I missed the opportunity. Now if I see retracement into the 0.88 area, maybe I will be taking a long position. Euro USD, opportunity still the same. If we retrace into this area, some economic indicators support my decision. I will be looking to short this currency pair. Coming into CHF Japanese yen, I entered the trade before the S&P decision rate. The idea was there is a probability for the S&P to cut 50 basis points and another probability to cut 25 basis points. So there was no probability for the S&P to do nothing, to hold rates. What I did, I positioned myself before the news came out, and on Thursday news came out, pushed to the downside. We did not close below 171. We saw a retracement closing above 172. Euro Japanese yen, I'm looking for price to reach this area, and with the good economic data that will support my decision, I will be shorting this pair. Pound Swiss franc, there is a new area that came out. If you watch previous week's video, I said that if we break below the 1.12 and see retracement into this area, I will take a long position. And if we break above the 1.12, I will anticipate retracement into the 1.12 in order to take a long position. Euro New Zealand dollar, I am short on Euro New Zealand dollar. We are in this beautiful area right here. If I see some lower time frame shift in market structure and some data supporting it, I will be taking a short position. New Zealand Swiss franc, I am bullish on NSD CHF. We have this area right here, and I will be looking if we retrace into this area and some data supporting the bullish momentum of New Zealand dollar Swiss franc, I will be entering the opportunity. This is everything for this week. If you like this type of content, don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button. Until next week, stay safe.